I quit, and now I'm not getting any spark or not getting any fire to the injectors or the fuel pump. I can jump the fuel pump relay and make the fuel pump come on, but that's about it.
Have you checked for codes in the computer?
No. Well, do you have any suggestions?
I would start at the ignition switch, and I would check
Okay.
power in and out of the ignition switch.
When I turn the key, it will crank the engine over.
You said none of the gauges light up.
That's correct. None of the gauges light up, but power goes to all of the fuse boxes when I turn the key on.
Well, let me tell you this real quick. So the red wire going into the ignition switch should have power all the time. And then when the key is turned on, the dark blue wire should have battery voltage. The black wire with white stripe should have battery voltage. And then the black wire with orange stripe should have battery voltage.
2 black wires, and what was the other one?
It's a dark blue, black with white, and a black with an orange.
Dark blue with white and black with orange.
That's correct, yep. And then the starting circuit, there's a yellow wire leaving the ignition switch that goes over to your starter relay. So there's actually, in fact, 4 different contacts inside this ignition switch. So it's possible 1 or 2 of them is bad, and then the crank circuit is still working. That's why it cranks. That's a possibility.